Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can run your Python code in your mobile phone. So by this process there is no need to install any of the application from App Store or Play Store. So now I'm going to show the process in my iOS device, but you could also follow this process in your Android device too, so there is no need to worry. So go to any browser. So if you're on Android, go to Chrome. I'm going to Safari and then search for Python online interpreter or compiler. So after searching you will get some sort of website. So I will recommend you to go through programize.com. So click on the website, and then the fun part of this website is this having dark mode and light mode. So I will prefer you to use dark mode because it's looking fancy and there is no effort to eyes anymore. So there are 3 lines of code over here. So both of them are comments, and the third line is printing hello world statement. So now I will like to also test this online compiler. So I will print subscribe. So you can notice that is having auto close. So and that's it. So I will click on done, and this will close the keyboard. Now you can see a run button down below. Click on that, and that will take you to another shell where the code gives you the output. So you can see it prints hello world and subscribe. So this is working perfect. So make sure to pin this website to your home screen, then it will be easier to you to navigate this website by clicking on that. So in this way you can run Python in your mobile phone without installing any other application. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, and for more videos, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon, share it to friends and like it. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.